Welcome to this webinar on true deconvolution made easy with Huygens Batch Express. Batch Express is a fully automated image processing pipeline for deconvolving all your image data. More than 30 different file formats from all types of microscopes, including the most common brands, are deconvolved by Batch Express within seconds. Even newly acquired images can be deconvolved instantly. Batch Express includes sophisticated background and SNR estimation and smart decision for each image on the best MLE algorithm, number of iterations, quality threshold and number of bricks, ensuring true deconvolution. You probably know already that if you prefer to edit parameters yourself, there is the wizard in Essential and Professional, the operation window in Professional, and Huygens Remote Manager as a web-based solution. From all these Huygens tools, which serve different types of users, templates can be saved with the microscopy and deconvolution parameters. These templates can subsequently be used for batch processing in the batch processor or in the Huygens Remote Manager, the HRM. Batch Express' unique solution for fast and automated deconvolution is available for Essential and Professional. Obviously, Batch Express needs to know the location of the raw images that you like to deconvolve and the destination to which the deconvolved images should be saved. Within Batch Express, you specify a watch folder as the raw data folder. This folder may also contain subfolders with images. For the deconvolved results, you specify an output folder. These folders can be located with Huygens on the computer that is connected to the microscope. Logically, this can also be on any other computer or laptop that is not connected to the microscope. You know for sure that in this situation, the raw data files need to be retrieved from the microscope with a portable storage device or via the local network. In a local network, you can even define a watch folder, a directory that contains your newly acquired or your to-be acquired data, and any images that are or will be saved in this watch folder will be detected by Batch Express, deconvolved and saved in the output folder. A very interesting situation is with Huygens floating licenses. One single floating license within the department permits any lab member with Batch Express installed on their computer to acquire images on the microscope and to have these images automatically detected, deconvolved and saved to their own computer. Many thinkable configurations are possible and our sales team will be happy to advise you on this. Let's now see Batch Express in action. In Huygens Essential or in Professional, you can open the Batch Express by clicking on the icon in the top taskbar or by activating it from the Deconvolution menu. Now the Batch Express opens with the images from the current watch folder. By clicking on the watch folder icon at the top left of the window, you can select the location of the images that you like to deconvolve. Images from different microscope types are placed in the queue in this situation. Likewise, with the output folder, we select the button and we determine the location where the deconvolved images will be stored. The paths of the folder are shown at the bottom of the Batch Express window. Tasks can be deleted from the queue with the delete buttons, and with the Save Format button, you can choose the format of the deconvolved output files. We select here ICS2 because this is a commonly used, future-proof format that is very good with preserving metadata. With the Express profile settings, you can select the most suited deconvolution profile for your images. There are 4 Express profiles that you can choose from. The first fast profile uses faster deconvolution algorithms or fewer iterations than the other profiles. The second standard profile is the best choice for a good trade-off between speed, resolution gain and noise reduction. The third aggressive profile is the method of choice for reaching higher resolution. It is recommended for images containing high enough signal, and the last conservative profile is more cautious on attempting a very high resolution gain. Instead, it's very effective at reducing noise. For now, we continue with the standard profile, and by clicking on the Run Task button, Batch Express will start deconvolving all the queued tasks. While running, a status bar behind the image name shows whether a task is saved, finished, running or queued. There are now 8 tasks listed, as you can see. Batch Express is constantly monitoring the watch folder for new images that are added. These new images will automatically be added as a new task in the queue. As an example, I'm copying now in the background an image file named Convocal Yeast in my watch folder, as if this data was just acquired and saved by my acquisition software. When tasks are deactivated, by clicking on the Queue button in the status bar, they can be skipped for deconvolution. With an extra click, we can also reactivate this task again. With the pause button, it's possible to stop or pause the deconvolution. This enables you to select a finished task and see the previews of the raw and deconvolved image. Let's just run the other tasks now again. In the meantime, you see that the just acquired Convocal Yeast image is added to the queue. The buttons at the top right corner allow you to open the previews in the twin slicer or to continue with the images in the chromatic aberration corrector or colocalization analyzer. The buttons of these 2 Huygens restoration options are only active if you have a multi-channel dataset, like this dataset of a HeLa cell, which is task number 4. Under the Tools tab, you have immediate access to the image file via the file manager of your operating system, and you can also open the image in the Huygens main window. Moreover, you can save the applied deconvolution template here if you like to inspect the use settings or if you plan to use the template in Huygens later on. Altogether, we've seen true deconvolution in action on all types of microscopy data, offering you incredible results. We invite you to test Huygens Batch Express via our website or to send us any questions that you may have at this point. I thank you for joining this webinar.